hello everyone. My friend Sammy and I are on the 6th floor of the Red One parking garage, which is the
Hyatt place in Lincoln.
Yeah. Although the Hyatt place uses the Red One parking garage for guest parking for the hotel, but it's generally the city garage, which is for the Pinnacle Bank Arena and all that. So the hotels don't actually own the garage. So we are in the city's garage. So right now we are waiting for the firework display to come on at 10 p.m., which is about a minute.
At Haymarket Park.
At Haymarket Park, which is where the Nebraska baseball parade in the spring, and then the Lincoln Salt Dogs in the summer.
I think it's starting right now.
Yeah. This is July 3rd, 2026 at approximately 10 p.m.
Yeah.
And I'm going to kind of like move my phone around just to make sure I get some view. And some of the other fireworks are from like surrounding neighborhoods. So it's really loud here. That means it must be the display. That one's more likely a neighborhood fireworks. It is not as loud. It sounds like it's coming from the east based on the sound. It's much louder coming from my right, but quieter on my front of me and to the left. So I'm sort of like holding my phone up as high as I can, try to get the video of the fireworks. they might hear that in the video. Most of this sound is coming from my right, so we're going to walk over to come follow the wall on your side.
Oh, what do you want to do now?
We got to go toward the other wall because that's where I think the sound is coming from. Take my elbow. We're going to walk over there to the other wall. I think we might get a better view. Okay, we'll kind of hang out right here at the corner. I moved over here based on where the sound is coming from. It sounded like it's coming closer over here than where we were. One second here. Just 1 second. I got to check something.
Oh, where did you go?
I was double checking to make sure I was. Because when I was thinking when we got off the elevator, I would try to make sure we were still facing northwest. Because that's where the Haymarket Park is, towards the north and a little bit to the west.
Yeah.
That's either still the or somebody else's
Yeah.
neighborhood.
Yeah.
Still sound like the close by though.
Yeah.
And I think, I was gonna say, it sounds like it could be done, but I don't think so.
Sounds like what?
It sounds like I thought it might be over, but it's not.
Yeah. I think that might be the finale.
That might be.
I think that might be the finale. You know, at the end they like to they always do like a fireworks to the attention. So I think that's it. I think that's the finale.
Yeah, that's probably the finale for the Haymarket Park, but then there's still somebody else. I think there's still some nearby, but I think the bigger show is over. But I'll keep filming for about a minute just to make sure. But I've been to begin with, we were facing the wrong direction. Based on the sound, so that's why I wanted us to come over here, because it sounded like the sound was coming from this over here.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, you mean we were in the wrong direction for like the video?
Well, yeah, to begin with, and that's why when I paid more attention to the sound, I paid much closer attention to it.
Yeah. Well, that's what we do as blind people.
Yeah.
Because we can't see anything.
Yeah, we tried to sound.
Yeah.
It was closer over here to this side, and I was filming in the wrong direction.
So for any of you viewers out there, feel free to leave a comment if we are in fact facing the wrong direction. Don't worry, we won't be offended. We promise.
Yeah, and we'll just remember next year where to come.
What was that?
Well, I'll just remember next year or whenever the next time, either me or we or whoever come, we'll just kind of know where to go next time.
Yeah.
So, all right, well, thank you all for watching, and you all have a great day.
Yeah, thanks. Have a great Independence Day again.
Yeah.
If you're watching on the 4th of July.
All right, we'll see you later then.
See you later.
That is it.